Hi, good morning everyone. Today we are going to discuss about Python and the related tools how to install in Windows PC. For that, first we need to go to the Chrome or Windows laptop, anything. Okay, uh, and after the opening the Chrome, just to go to the Window tab, new tab, or type the Python download. Okay. So you can see the first python.org download Python organization link. So click on that, and here you can see the many options for downloads. So now we are going to download a Python 3.13.0 version. So here you can see the download for Windows, okay, and download for Linux, Mac OS, and other operating systems. Now I am using Windows, so I am going to download on the Windows. Okay, just click on download link, and it will download the exe file. So this exe file it will be downloaded in the downloads folder. Okay, after downloading complete, just go and open the downloads folder. Okay, so you can see Python 3.13.0 .exe file. Just double click on this one. It will open the download window. It will open the setup window. Okay, after this one you can see two options. It is a customization, installation, and install now. Okay, so customization is not required. So if you want to remove some features while installing desktop options, those are be included in the customization installation. So we are not going for this option. Okay, we are clicking on the install now. Okay, so this is the path where it will install in the Python programming location. Okay, so and after that, once before clicking on this install now, you should select use admin privilege and add python.exe. Okay, exe to the path. So what it will do, python.exe file will be added into the python 313 path location, c drive program files location. Okay, make sure you should select add python.exe to the path, because if you don't add this file, you will get errors while running the coding executions. Okay, so after selecting these two, you can click on the install now. It will ask the admin rights, so that may be not visible for you. It will ask the confirmation. You can click on yes. Okay. So now it is started installing Python setup. Okay. It will take 2-3 minutes to complete the installation. Yeah, it is setup completed successfully. Okay, so this message should be displayed after installing or set up the exe file. Okay, now you can close. For testing purpose, you have installed successfully or not. What you should do, just you can go to the start menu and click on the command prompt. Okay, command prompt. You can see command prompt, Windows command prompt. You just open it. Now you can see the window, command prompt window. Just here you can type the Python. Okay, and press enter. If we software installed, exe installed successfully, then you can see the Python version, and this arrows, right arrows will come. Okay, so this is the symbol, your Python software installed successfully. Once you can see this one, just for testing purpose, what I am doing, I am typing the simple print statement. Okay, print double quotations hello Python. Okay, so this is these syntaxes and all you can learn later classes. Okay, oh, sorry. Print it is a say case sensitive. Okay, okay. You can see now this is printing the hello Python statement. That means your when your Python setup done successfully. Okay. Once it is done, we need one more tool also to write the code to user friendly for development and all. Okay. So for that, what you need to do, you need to go to Visual Studio once again and type the Visual Studio code. Okay, this is also free tool, Visual Studio code, right? This is also free tool. Here you can see options: Visual Studio for Windows, Visual Studio for Mac OS, iOS, Linux. Okay, not now what you will do, download for Windows. Okay, I'm using Windows now, so just clicking on the download. uh, Thanks for downloading Visual Studio Code. It is started downloading. You can see the status here. It is a 100 MB file. It will take 1 or 2 minutes. It is depends on your internet speed. Okay. Yeah, it is downloaded successfully. So once it is download, you can go to the downloads and you can open the exe file, Visual Studio Code user setup.exe file. Okay, you can double click this one. Here it will ask setup options. So I need to click on the I accept the program. Click on next. Okay, it is the path where it is going to install the file, setup file. So it is under program files, Microsoft VS Code. Okay. Don't create a shortcut menu. If you don't want to create a shortcut menu folder on the desktop, you can click menu don't want. Okay, so I'm keeping as it is. If you want to create a desktop icon also, you can select this one. I'm clicking on the desktop icon. Okay, and the rest all things I am keeping as it is. So finally we reach to final step. You can click on install. Okay, it will take very less time to install. It is a very lightweight version. It will not take much time to install and set up the file. Okay, so once you click this one, it will launch the file, setup file. Okay, this is the Visual Studio Code. So this is a tool where we are going to use in future uh, videos. Okay, so here also, so last time what we did, we opened the command prompt and we tested the sample program with the print statement. Okay, from same thing, we can do it from here also. Uh, so what we should do, just we should go to the terminal and new terminal. Okay, click on the new terminal. This is also opening in the same. So what we are doing here and what we are doing here, both are same only. So here also we are typing Python. See, you can see the same input here also, same output. Okay, it is showing the Python version and all. So there are few plugins to directly connect with the Visual Studio Code with Python. I will show those things in later videos. Okay, you can see once it is connected to the python.exe file, you can notify here. It is displaying as a Python. Okay, if you take a normal window, it is showing as a PowerShell. Okay, so what I'm trying to tell here, uh, once you type the Python, it will connect to the, if you type any commands related to Python, it will directly connect to the Python. Okay, once when I click here Python, this is the Python command, no? So it is directly connected to the python.exe. Okay, so from here also we can type the commands or programs. Okay, just I'm giving simple statement, print statement. You can see the output here. This is the complete installation and setup for Visual Studio Code and Python version. So I'm going to end this video. So we will continue on the next video.